Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Hello guys, welcome on my YouTube channel. Today we learn international mathematics in English language or English medium. So number 1 problem 3 division under root 3. This is a very simple and very tricky and conceptual problem. We solve it with conceptually. First of all, you should know he is a kind of division. So we write in this form 3 over under root 3. We can write in this form. There is no difference between these two. So when when denominator in under root are rational numbers, so we the rationalize. What is rationalize? Rationalize is the kind of denominator will be multiplication, multiply and divided by both numbers. This there is under root 3 multiplied in the form of multiplication. There is the under root 3 in division. So we there is multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. So 3 multiplied by under root 3, this is under root 3 under root 3. And two same numbers in under root, their number will be only number and under root will be cancel out. Under root and is equal to 3. Now there is a product 3 product by under root 3. If their plus or minus, then we cannot cancel out 3 with 3, but there is a multiplication, then we easily cut out is a mathematical concept 3 into 3. Our answer will be under root 3. I hope you will understand well. If you understand well, you should like or subscribe our channel for next videos, for next problems. This is our mathematics channel, and this is our WhatsApp number. If you can teach mathematics online, you can teach with us. There is a simple the percentage of problem 5% of 200. It is very simply very tricky, and this is a mathematically I teach you for whole world 5% of 200. 200 multiply 5% means 100 out of 100, so we can 5 over 100. This is a very simple problem. You can see 00 cancel out 5 and 2, so 5 multiplied by 2 is equal to 10. It is our correct and perfect answer. Perfect and correct answer. The 5% of 200 is only 2. I try for mocha. There is a minus. Next our problem 5 cube minus 5 square. It is a very simple. This problem is very important for all jobs, for entire world. If you want to learn mathematics, you will be math expert, you should join us for very conceptual and tricky mathematics problems. Here we first of all we solve powers 5 power 3, so we can write 5 multiply 5 multiply 5, division 5 multiply 5. So 5 into 5 25, 25 into 5 is equal to 125, divided by 5 into 5 25. So 125 divisible 5 is equal to 5. We know 25 is divided by multiplied 5 is equal to 25. So our correct answer will be 5. I hope you understand well. Our next problem is under root 3 multiply under root 3. It is very conceptual and very tricky. We have already discussed about same numbers. Under root 3 and under root 3 is under root is cancel out, and our number is our answer. So we can write 3 multiplied by 3. So our answer will be 3. It is very simple. You should it understand. Now this is very tricky. Under root 3 divided by under root 3, it is very simple. We can solve it in just seconds. I can write under root 3 and we can write under root 3. This is a same method. Method change is there no difference between these two. So under root 1, under root 3, under root 3 is cancel out. Our answer will be 1. It is our perfect answer. Our next and question number 6. Question number 6 is a 9 division by under root 3 whole square. Now we all know under root and square is will be cancel out. Why? We know the value of under root is 1 upon 2. 1 upon 2 and power 2l multiplied to 2 cancel out. Our answer will be 1. So under root and square cancel out. Our 9 division by 3. 3 1 3 the 3, 2 3 the 6, 3 3 the 9. Our correct answer will be 3. Next our question is 6 multiply 10 whole square multiply 1 power 0. First of all, we here find the square of 10. So we all know that square of 10 is equal to 100 multiplied by 1. It is a very conceptual problem. You should know and you should try to know. If any number in mathematics power 0, it is equal to 1. It is equal to 1. Suppose that x 2x whole square power 0, whole power 0, it will be equal to 1. And I write another 30 power 0. So this is equal to 1. So there 1 power 0 is equal to will be 1. So their answer will be 6 multiply 100 multiply by 100 is equal to 100. This our answer will be 600. It is our perfect answer. Now it is another problem is very conceptual, very tricky. We should try to solve it. This is a whole square. This is a whole square. It means square on 2 or 10 square and 30. So first of all, we find the multiplication of these twos. 3 30 and 10. 10 30 the 300 a whole square multiplied by 1. The square of 300 will be 1 and 3 3 the 19,000 and multiplied by 1 is equal to 19,000. This is our problem number 9. It is a very tricky and very conceptual. I try to solve it. It is very simplest way. 3 and cube root of 125. We know square of 5 is equal to 25 and 25 is multiplied 5 is equal to 125. So 3 times of 5 is equal to 125. So we can write 5 power 3 of 125, and the value of under root 3 is equal to 1 upon 3 multiplied 5. 3 cancel out is equal to 1 multiply 1 is equal to 25. 25 is our perfect answer. Our last and next question, or next and last question, 2x square equal to 2x square and divide by 2. So it is a very concept of algebraic division. 2x square is equal to 2. 2 cancel out is equal to our answer is x square. I hope you understand well. If you and teach if you learn mathematics with us, I will try in Indian English medium. So there is in my speaking there will be some mistakes. So I am not an English person. I try to speak English and teach in English mathematics for whole world. So thank you for watching my video. Allah Hafiz.